everybody, this is Tammy Wood from Saucy Outdoors. Today I am pumped to show you another way to elevate your beef roast by adding a little bit of smoke in your life with the Bradley Smoker. Your family and guests will love this new elevation of flavor profile to your beef dishes. For this recipe, I have created a hickory smoked peppercorn spice rub for my top sirloin roast. It consists of crushed pink peppercorn, Szechuan, cracked pepper, salt, garlic, onion powder, coriander, and cayenne pepper. I take my top sirloin roast and I dip it in some mushroom and sage infused olive oil and generously rub all the spices all over my roast, and I leave it in the fridge overnight. The next day when I'm prepping for dinner, I put my Bradley smoker to 250 degrees, take my roast, put it on the middle rack, and let it go for 2 to 3 hours or until the internal temperature reaches about 130 to 135. I like to have my roast a medium to rare, so that is a perfect temperature for me and for the size of roast that I'm cooking. One thing about the hickory smoke is that it adds a bit of sweetness and a bit of bacon flavor, and your guests will absolutely love it. And the end result of this amazing roast is this right here. Looks pretty fancy, eh? Perfectly cooked, nice capped bark on the outside. If you would like to have this recipe, you can email me at saucyoutdoors@hotmail.com, or you can also get a hold of me on my Saucy Outdoors Facebook and Instagram page. And happy cooking!